The offshore wind industry is scaling up. With 20 to 30 megawatts wind turbines on the horizon, the monopiles are growing heavier and larger than ever before. Who is ready to handle the next generation monopiles? In 2023, Offshoretronic unveiled the VITRUVIAN, a monopile installation vessel built to handle the extraordinary capacity of lifting up to 5,000 metric tons. The VITRUVIAN isn't just keeping pace with the future, it is defining it with unleashing lifting power, delivering installation precision, and ensuring ultimate safety. Let's meet the VITRUVIAN at a large monopile marshalling port, loading a set of 5,000 metric tons monopiles. The operation starts with a SPMT train, moving the monopiles from storage into the quadruple-stacked hydraulic gantry cranes, where a 4-point lift perfectly equalizes the load. The monopile is then transferred along the tracks to the vessel's transporter and saddle system, engineered for a seamless roll-on and the special designed to withstand every dynamic load during the vessel's voyage to the offshore wind park. Once the monopile is aboard the VITRUVIAN, the saddles are skidded laterally to the stowed position, where an automated system locks them firmly into the sea fastening. For the second monopile, the same handling sequence is executed, but now placed on the top of the tilting and lifting beam. Given the substantial dead weight, the 6-point transporter and saddle system is a requirement for monopiles far above the 3,000 metric ton to mitigate any risk of structural stress or damage during sea transport and offshore installation. With a total capacity of 12,000 metric tons, the VITRUVIAN delivers ultimate flexibility, whether you're moving 2 5,000-ton loads or 3 monopiles of up to 3,500 tons apiece. And with a maximum outer diameter of 16 meters and 130 meters in length, it's built to accommodate the largest offshore structures of the future. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned. We are about to reach a major milestone for the VITRUVIAN project. We are proud to announce that Offshoretronic will officially sign an exclusive ship design and engineering agreement for our new jack-up vessel on the 1st of September at the SMM in Hamburg. This crucial step will bring the design to a ready-for-shipyard stage, shining a well-deserved spotlight on our work. Our undisclosed partner is a world-leading ship design office, renowned for designing some of the largest offshore vessels in the world. We look forward to this close cooperation and sharing more details soon, with an official press release coming out on the 1st of September 2026.